Have you ever seen one of these lights pop up and wondered what it means? Today, we're decoding 10 of the most important dashboard warning lights. And trust me, ignoring some of them could cost you thousands or even your life. This one's urgent. It means your engine isn't getting enough oil. Stop immediately and check your oil level. Running without oil can destroy your engine. If this light stays on, your brake system might be failing. If your handbrake is off and it's still glowing, don't drive. Get inspected as soon as possible. This means your battery isn't charging properly. You could lose power at any moment. Get your alternator, battery, and terminals checked. An overheating engine is bad news. Pull over, turn off the car, and let it cool. Driving while this light is on can cause engine failure. This one's self-explanatory. You're low on fuel. But remember, constantly driving on empty can damage your fuel pump over time. This light means one or more airbags may not deploy in a crash, or worse, could deploy unexpectedly. Get checked before you drive again. Low tire pressure is equal to poor fuel economy, poor grip, and faster tire wear. Inflate tires to the recommended pressure as soon as possible. This tells you the anti-lock braking system isn't working properly. Your brakes still work, but you may lose control during emergency stops. This one isn't a warning. It just means your front or rear fog lights are on. Use them only in poor visibility conditions. This one's simple. Buckle up. Some cars also include a sound if the seatbelt isn't fastened. If a light comes on, don't ignore it. If it's red, stop the car. If unsure, visit a trusted mechanic. Got a weird light on your dash? Drop it in the comments. We might cover it in the next video. Your car is always talking to you. Are you listening? Knowing your dashboard lights can save you time, money, and stress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical car tips and reviews.